Bayik is a type of which sport popular among Turkic people? Horse racing. What should a Javanese couple do in order to get married? Plant 5 trees. Who appears when Aladdin rubs the lamp? Genie. What does the term xerostomia refer to? Dry mouth. Who wrote, "To be or not to be"? That is the question. William Shakespeare. Where is the Taj Mahal? India. Which singer made the moonwalk dance famous? Michael Jackson. What is the title of this cartoon? Scooby-Doo.